Today, we will be looking at LG newest top-of-the-line left product. So side-by-side left with cutting-edge instable technology that is unique to LG. Drawing the models that offer advanced convenience. And our new two-door top freedom model that fit any lifestyle with its modern and sleek design. Our product specialist will show you why it is the best fit to ask your loved ones this year. Another highlight for today is the LG ThinQ Zone, where we showcase how LG's revolutionary ThinQ technology seamlessly work together to create your very own smartphone. So, we hope you enjoy this afternoon gathering. Thank you and happy holidays from LG.
Siyempre sa akin, medyo may deeper meaning siya lalo ngayon. Kasi home for the holidays and making that upgrade for me is being with my family and creating a home for, siyempre, my future child. Yun. So that's what it means to me. And of course, giving them the best. That's why nandito tayo ngayon sa LG. Kasi ito ang best.
Very good.
Oo. Sir Jillian.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
well,
opo.
no?
They want to store more, especially pandemic po. They wanted to lessen the exposure outside, kaya yung requirement for bigger ref tumaas yung demand.
Interesting.
And lastly, yung pinaka-entry level
Okay.
side-by-side natin. Also side-by-side, pero less feature lang to compared to the other models that we just
So,
discussed.
malaki din siya.
Malaki pa rin
Oo,
siya.
malaki.
24.3 cubic feet.
Yan. So Jill, parang nagbago isip ko, ayoko na ng masyadong malaki. Gusto ko tama lang sa pamilya namin.
Oo. Or kaya hindi papasok sa budget.
Yan.
Pwede.
Diba?
In that case, tawid po tayo doon.
Oy!
Oh,
Masaya to. Ito po